I'm Alan. I'm the product marketing manager for EV and Dynacord for Greater China. Today, I'm very excited to introduce our booth to everyone. For EV has almost 100 years history. Next year will be the 100th anniversary celebration for EV. So recently, EV speed up to introduce new products to the market. In just the past 10 years, EV refreshed all the portfolio from the line array, ceiling speaker, column speaker. Now, at the beginning of this year, EV is proud to release the new series of high-end point source loudspeakers to the public. So here, I'm introduced the second generation of the EVF and EVH point source loudspeaker. In this series, there are 4 brand new products: EVF 12-inch and 15-inch, EVH 15-inch horn-loaded point source loudspeaker, together with a double 15 subwoofer series. So, it's the first time for EV launch them in the ISE, and due to the importance and the Prolight Sound for China market, so we are proud to introduce them to the Chinese customer for the first time. So in the past 2 days, a lot of visitors, we are proud to tell them what's the benefit, what's the feature to all of the visitors. So it's good communication, and we attract many visitors. So we feel the Prolight Sound help us to introduce the new products to all of the Chinese market. So let's have a close watch about how good about these two new products. On the look, yes, I think most of the loudspeakers look similar to each other. However, EV engineering did a lot of job to make them totally different with any other products in the market. First, I think the core of a loudspeaker is the driver. So all engineers paid a lot of efforts to develop the brand new drivers inside. So what's the benefit of the new drivers? In past almost 100 years, EV is thinking about how to improve the product efficiency. With lower power, can output more at SPL. So I think it's the target we are following all the time. So with the new driver, we increase the efficiency of the loudspeaker, and it can increase 2 or 3 dB upon our previous best products. And not only the loudness, but also the performance. The lover of music, they are always pursue better music, the better frequency response. So the new drivers also help us to achieve it. Not only the driver, but also it's a system, including the new cabinet. These are not the cabinets used before, just the dedicated design for these new series, together with the low loss crossover, and not only the physical things. We also utilize the output part, the port part, for better low frequency response, together with the software and electronic utilized so the whole system work together to achieve better coverage, better frequency response. So we just hope with these new products can give our partner and customer more feeling about the music. So thanks everyone to pay so much time to listen to me. So if you have any question, you can connect me and my colleague or any EV representative in your region. Thank you.